All right, so I've gotten some of your special population assignment submissions, and I've emailed a couple of you. I just wanted to reiterate that these papers need to be in APA format, and at the beginning of the semester, I provided you guys with a resource that may help to inform you on APA format and style. And if you go here on that link that I provided and you scroll down, APA formatting and style, you can educate yourselves on an APA formatted paper. So if you've submitted and I've sent you an email, I know that a lot of our assignments have been questions and answers up to this point, but this particular assignment is to be a formal paper in APA style, APA format. Shoot me an email if you have any questions about that, but everything you need to know, this is what I utilized while I was in undergrad and in graduate school. So give that a look. And again, if you've already submitted your paper and it isn't in APA format, go back and adjust it and resubmit it. You have until Sunday to submit those papers. And they have examples, everything. So give that a look. I have been reading on your content, and it's great. But you will be expected as you move through your graduate courses and undergraduate courses to submit papers in APA format. So now is the time to, those are my children, to learn about it. All right, I hope you guys are having a good night.